Tell me, is email literally killing your engagement right now? Your engagement with your leads and your engagement with your customers? See, in the last 12 months, the number of emails in your inbox and in your customers' inbox has literally doubled. And you're fighting a battle to try and get into the inbox to start with, and then to get people to engage with your emails. The average open rate is between 17 and 28%, depending on your industry, depending on your niche. And yet we're fighting against all of those other people trying to get into your inbox, fighting against all of those extra emails that are coming in every single 12 months. So there is a solution though, and we use SMS. Now, SMS is much more engaging. Open rate is 98%, and 90% of those are open within the first 30 seconds. So it's a solution for us, but it's a very manual sort of process. So what I'd like you to do is come along to our webinar where I can show you why email marketing is dead and how we can use SMS and AI to get a better engagement in your business and to get better returns on the other end.